Good morning, Ashish. Ashish, good morning, beta. Your voice is not coming.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Ashish.
Sir, my maths, sir, in report card, sir, my maths marks were less, sir. So, sir, can you recheck my copy?
How many marks you have scored in maths?
27.
27 out of 40.
But, sir, my marks should be more than 38, sir, because when you tell the answers, I have checked my all answers were correct.
I will recheck your copy, don't worry. Okay, if
Okay,
there
sir.
will be any correction, you will be informed. So there is, okay, now Shobia has joined. Where are the other students? Why the students are not joining? I'm waiting since long. It has been
Sir,
all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So we are doing the chapter surface area and volume, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have completed the first exercise of the chapter or not? No, we are doing it.
Yeah.
We have done till question number 22, I think. 20.
yes, sir.
Question 20, 21, 22, 23, all the questions are of the same type. All the questions. In fact, 24 also. So I am explaining, we have already done question 20. Question 21, I told you to do yourself. Let me tell you question 21 also. Okay. Exercise 20A, question number 21. Find the volume of iron required to make an open box whose external dimensions are 36, 25, and 16.5 centimeter. There is, you have to tell the volume of the iron. Okay, that is required to make an open box. Okay, open box. Okay, the external dimensions of the box are, so outer dimensions of the box, first of all, capital L 36 centimeters, capital B 25 centimeters, and capital H 16.5 centimeters. These are the external dimensions. Internal dimensions or inner dimensions. Small l. How will you find small l? The thickness of the iron that is used in the box is 1.5 centimeter. Thickness of the iron is 1.5 centimeter. So that means in the length of the iron box, you will subtract 1.5 from left side and from right side to find the inner dimension, like I explained in the last question also. So in all, we have to subtract 3 centimeters from the outer dimension. So we get 33 centimeters as the inner length. Inner breadth, again you will subtract 3 centimeters from the outer breadth. So 25 minus 3, we get 22 centimeters. And in the outer height, how much will be the outer height of the rectangle? Tell me, what will be the outer height of the cuboid? What will be the outer height of the cuboid? Inner height. Outer height is 16.5. What will be the inner height? It will be
Sir, 14.3, 14.5.
not 14.5, it will be 15. We will subtract only 1.5. Why are we not subtracting 3 now? Because we will subtract thickness of the iron only from the bottom, not from the top when we are talking about the height. Because the box is open from the top. Read the question carefully. You have to make an open box. Open box means there is no lid, no cover. So if there is no cover, that means there will be no thickness, no iron at the top. At the top, there is no iron. The iron is there only at the bottom. So that means you will subtract only 1.5 centimeter to subtract the bottom thickness of the iron. So you get 15 centimeter is as the inner height of the box. Okay. Now the concept will remain same to find the volume. Volume will of the iron will be outer volume minus inner volume. Outer volume minus inner volume. Outer volume is 36 into 25 into 16.5 minus inner volume 33 into 22 into 15. Find it, all of you. Find the product and calculate it. 36, 900, 10, 165 into 9.
Sir, 3,960.
Final answer.
Yes, sir.
What is the volume, outer volume? $14,850 outer volume minus inner volume 33 into 22 into 15.
Sir, 10,890.
Correct.
Sir, 10,890.
And what is the difference? $3,960 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the iron that is used in making the box. Now you have to find the weight of the box, find the weight of the empty box in kilograms. If 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 8.5 grams. So the density is given. Weight will be equal to total volume of the iron box multiplied by the density. Density is 1 centimeter cube. For 1 centimeter cube, the weight is 8.5. So multiply this by 8.5. Multiply by 8.5. You get 33660 grams. In kgs, to find your answer in kgs, it will be 33.66 kg. Okay, this is the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Ready, all of you? Question 22 and 23 you will try in homework, and 24 also. All the three questions are of same time. Okay, do the 23rd one right
Okay,
now.
sir.
Do it here. It is a closed box. That means you will subtract from the outer height, you will subtract the thickness from both the sides, inside and outside of both. Okay, question 23. Start doing it. Keep your videos on.
Sir, in my area today, network is not working good, sir. So I have.
No problem. Do the question. In question 23, you have to find the inner dimensions by subtracting the thickness from all the dimensions, outer dimensions. Outer dimensions are given. Subtract the thickness to find the inner dimensions. You will get the inner dimensions. Now you have to find the capacity of the box. Capacity means that how much you can store inside the box. This is what is known as capacity. That means you have to find only the inner volume in question 23. You don't have to find the difference of outer volume and inner volume. Just find the inner volume. To find the inner volume, you need the inner dimensions. So first, there are two steps in the question. First, you find out the inner dimensions of the box, and then find the inner volume. Got it? Start doing it.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I not understand.
Your voice is not clear. Sorry, Ashish.
Sir, how
What? Better, can you write in the chat
to
box
find inner dimension?
how to find the inner dimensions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm telling you. So question 23, the outer dimensions of the box are given. External dimensions are 62 centimeters. Length, breadth is 30 centimeters. And height is 18 centimeters. Now the box is made up of wood. 2 centimeter thick wood is used all around. So that means to find the inner length, you will subtract 2 centimeters from the left side and 2 centimeters from the right side, both the sides. That means in all you have to subtract 4. What do you get? You get 58 centimeters. Inner breadth 30 minus 4, again from both the sides, 2 centimeters from both the sides. That means 4 you will subtract from 30, 26, sorry, 26 centimeters. And the inner height, the box is closed. That means the wood is used at the bottom and also at the top. दोनों जगह wood use किया गया है. So that means we will subtract from both the sides. So we will subtract 4 in this case. You get 14 centimeters as the inner height. These are the inner dimensions. Now find the volume.
Sir, volume of inner dimension.
You have to find the inner volume only. That is the capacity of the box. Capacity का मतलब क्या है? That how much you store inside the box. Inside means inner volume. Okay. They are not asking you the volume of wood. There is, understand the difference in it. If they ask you the volume of wood that is used in the box, in making the box, so in that case you will find the difference of outer volume and inner volume. जब हमें wood का volume निकालना है. And if they are asking the capacity, that means you have to find only the inner volume. So find out the inner volume.
And 112 centimeter cube.
Sorry, how much? Post it in the group. Post your answer in the group. Capacity. Equals to inner volume. 58 into 26 into 14. Just find the product. 21,112 centimeter cube is the capacity of the box. Okay. Question 25. Done this, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Start doing question 25. The side of a cube, there are 3 parts in the question. In each of the 3 parts, the edge of the cube, that means the side of the cube, is given. You have to find the volume. Simple question. Find the lateral surface area, total surface area of the cube, each of whose volume. All the 3 things you have to find out. So do the first part of the question. Okay. Ashish,
Sir, can you explain, sir? I got disconnected.
I'm saying
Sir,
in question 25, question 24, you have to do in homework. In question 25, the side of the cube is given 7 meters. You have to find 3 things. Volume, use the formula of volume and find out. Find the total surface area. You have already written the formula. Find the total surface area. And find the lateral surface area. That means the volume of walls. So find all the 3 things. You know all the 3 formulae. Use the 3 formulae and find all the 3 things. and quickly post your answer in the group. Yes, done. Ashish, Pranjali,
Yes, sir,
and
doing.
Zainab. Pranjali and Zainab, done or not?
Sir, doing.
How much time you all are taking? It is a very short question. Simple, easy. See, answer of all the three parts. Was it difficult? Simple.
No,
Use
sir.
the three formulae and find the answer. You all are taking too much time for it. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do the next question. In the next question, the surface area of a cube is given. Question number 26. Surface area. Surface area means total surface area only. If they are saying that the surface area is this, that means the total surface area. Okay. If it is not mentioned that what type of surface area is it, that means you have to consider that it is total surface area only. So the surface area of a cube is 1176 centimeters square. You have to find the volume of this cube. So first of all, to find the volume, we need the side of the cube. We don't know the side of the cube. From where we can find out the side of the cube? Using the total surface area. So let's write the formula of total surface area. It is 6a square. This is the formula of total surface area. We know the total surface area, it is 1176 equals to 6a square. So 1176 upon 6 is equal to a square. That means you get 196. So a square is equal to 196. That means a is equal to square root of 196. A equals to 14 centimeters. This is the side of the cube. Any doubt in finding the side of the cube? All of you?
No, sir.
So from the total surface area, we have first calculated the side of the cube. Now we can find the volume of the cube. Volume is equals to a cube. That means volume is equal to 14 cube. Find the cube of the cube. Find the volume of the cube. Find it. So 14 into 14 into 14. Find the product. All of you. 14 square is 196. 196 into 14. What is it?
Sir, 2000.
How much? How much? The voice is not clear. Two 2744 centimeter cube. This is the volume. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question number 27. The volume of a cube is 729 centimeter cube. Find the surface area. So it is opposite of question 26. Just a minute. Let me share my link in the next class. Okay. Just wait for a minute. So question number 27, the volume of the cube is given. In this case, the volume is given 729 centimeter cube. We have to find the surface area. That means the total surface area we have to find out. So let's use the volume to find the side of the cube first. Volume is equal to a cube. So 729 is equal to a cube. How will you find a? How will you find a? You will
Sir,
find
square
the
root.
cube root of 729. Find the cube root of 729. Do you know how to find the cube root? Do the prime factors of the number
No,
729
sir.
and then form triplets in the factors of 729.
Okay, sir.
Let me do 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You will get 3 6 times. So this is the first triplet and this is the second triplet. So that means A is equal to 3 into 3. A equals to 9 centimeters. We have already done this in the chapter cube roots, cubes and cube roots. You know how to find cube roots. So A is equal to 9 centimeters. Now the total surface area. Total surface area is 6A square. This is the formula. So 6 into 9 into 9. 6 into 81. What is the product? 6 8s are 48, 486 centimeters square. I hope you all are writing the units correctly. This is surface area.
Yes,
That is
sir.
why the unit is centimeter square. In case of volume, the unit is centimeter cube. Okay. Keep your mics off. Question 28. The dimensions of a metal block are 2.25 meter by 1.5 meter by 27 centimeters. It is melted and recast into cubes, each of side 45 centimeters. How many cubes are formed? Very good. Done. Question 27.
Yes, sir.
So in question 28, dimensions of a metal block are given. Okay. That means this is cuboid. Metal block is cuboid in shape. This is melted and then recast into a cube. Not a cube, many cubes of small cubes. Many small cubes of. So you can see that these are small cubes of side 45 centimeters each. So how many cubes you can make using this metal block? So the concept is that volume of this block, metal block, will be equal to the volume of all these small cubes, because these small cubes are made of the material which is melted from the block only. कहाँ से बने हैं ये cubes? These cubes are made of the material which was obtained by melting the metal block. First we melted the metal block and then we made small cubes. So that means the volume will remain the same. Volume will not change. So this concept can be used to find
Yes,
the
sir.
number of cubes that we have made. So let the number of cubes be x. Number of cubes that we have made be x. Okay. So what is the volume of metal block? Now the dimensions here are given in meters. So convert them in centimeters. 225 into 150 into 27. This is the volume of metal block. Now volume of one cube is 45 into 45 into 45. This is volume of one cube. But how many cubes we are making? We are making x cubes. So you will multiply the volume of one cube by x. So you have got this equation. Now you all will solve this equation yourself and find the value of x. Have you all understood the concept of the question?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Find x from the equation.
Okay, sir.